All right, guys, check it out. I didn't see nothing on YouTube, so I figured I'd make one myself. This is a 2011 Dodge Durango Crew with the Hemi 5.7. And guess what? Look at that. But I'm just now finding that it was making a little noise, but that wasn't my initial problem. My initial problem was right here on the radiator where the hanger is that holds the fan shroud up. I got a crack right here. Now I've seen online you're supposed to take the grill off and all that stuff, but I have not done that. What I have done, I'm going to take this water pump off too. Might as well, right? You can hear it. Bad bearings, man. Hadn't been leaking yet, just making a little noise. Well, a bunch of noise actually, some grinding noise. Wow, 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 that's what it sounds like. Anyway, I figured I'd put this up because here's what I've done. See this? This is the brace that goes across here, from here, all the way to here. All I did was bend this back, 10mm bolts, took those out, and bend this one back as well. I did not take the hood latch off. I just unplugged the horns. Hood latch is still there, see? Cable still right there. And I already got the radiator. You have to separate the, what's this, condenser, air conditioning, coolant, wherever. I'm not a mechanic, man, but I mean, I worked on stuff when I was young. But this is the first time in years I've done something like this. But I've separated it, and you can get it out. You just have to be careful, be easy. Don't bend nothing too much. It don't take a lot of bending. It just takes a lot of, it's almost like trying to, like a puzzle. Be real easy, and you can get it out without taking all this crap apart, so don't listen to them, man. So, yeah. Should have pulled it out, then made a video, but as you can see, it's loose. All I do is just shimmy it around a little bit, and I'll get it out, no problem. But I want to make this video because nobody else, I don't know, 011 anyway. You can take them out without taking the front end off. So there you go, 2011 Dodge Durango 5.7 Hemi radiator repair. And I'm going to do a water pump, but hey, I ain't gonna make a video of that. That's pretty easy, right? Not easy, but you know what I'm saying. It's hard to get to. But here it is, guys. Take this member off. There's 4 screws on each side. One of them goes into your bucket here. One of them goes to your windshield wiper, and then that's the overflow. I'm just saying. And yeah. So don't take the whole front end off your car, man. Stop it already. Just be careful, be easy, take your time, brother. You'll get it. All right, peace out.